Okay, so today we're doing something real light and simple. We're doing a quick little brunch, lunch if you want to call it. I'm going to be making a caprese sandwich. Caprese salad originates from Italy. It consists of mozzarella, tomato, basil, and Italian dressing. Italian dressing or olive oil if you like. It dates back to World War I in Italy, where one of the soldiers wanted to make a dish that represented Italy through the colors. And I understand it because when you see this put together, it makes absolute sense. All right, so let me take care of some business real quick and shout out some people that we're very fond of here at the Sweet Hand family. Patricia Draper, which is, she's kind of like an aunt to me, definitely family, but she is a realtor. So please, please, please go ahead and look her up on Instagram. It's Patricia Draper Realtor at Instagram. The second person I want to plug is Alicia Hairston. She's from my hometown back in Boston. Go Pats, as you can see. Her business name is Sparkle Time, and she does customized baskets, gift baskets, and customized cups, and I just have to share this with y'all. She made this personally for me. As you can see, it says C on there. So yeah, I'm gonna get started with y'all. Don't want to hold you up much longer, so please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out. Yummy time. All right, let's get started. So first off, I'm gonna get you in on the ingredients here and what we need for this sandwich. It's great for lunch. It's light, yet filling at the same time. So just absolutely delicious, easy for anybody to make at home. I've got some fresh basil, beef sliced, pretty thick tomatoes here with my special seasoning on there. I've got a salad that I like to make, which consists of olives, onions, tomatoes, a little bit of blue cheese crumbles. We usually use feta cheese as well, and some vinegar and Italian dressing. My arugula, fresh mozzarella here, ciabatta bread, that's what the sandwich is gonna go on. I've got here balsamic glaze, balsamic vinegar, red wine vinegar. The seasonings I'm gonna be using today is dill weed, vegetable seasoning, pepper, garlic powder, violet salt, Italian dressing, another Italian dressing. Marilyn and I was just talking about how I like to incorporate different dressings together. Basil pesto and Sweet Hand secret seasoning that makes it righteous. Of course, you know me not by myself. The Pebble and Marilyn.
That's right. Hi, Chef.
So what you got going on today? What do y'all think about this caprese? Is it gonna be your first time trying it?
Yes.
The sandwich?
First time trying caprese, yes.
And the way
chef is going to make it. That's right.
Mom's had it once before, but you enjoyed it. I love it. Yeah.
I enjoyed it. It's quite filling.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
And it's like real beefy. And refreshing.
Yeah, and aromatics popping in my this too.
Awesome.
So
it's funny how we went from Vietnam and now we're in
Italy.
Yeah, and we go back to Jamaica. Even though, you know, Jamaican roots, British grown, you know, we cook everything. But don't get it messed up, man. The sweet hand and the Jamaican food, you see?
To go with your sandwich,
yeah,
I'm going to make the dipping. Because you know how when you go to that Italian restaurant, they always have some dipping oil to get you going?
Yes.
So I'm going to incorporate some olive oil, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, and a little bit of the Sweet Hand cooking seasonings, the secret seasoning.
Wow.
So,
like that idea. I'm ready for that.
You like us to pour some wine? Might as
Yeah,
well.
so we decided today to go with
wine.
we talked
about
champagne, mimosa, red wine, whatever. What we
and we just decided to go with
just a nice white wine.
Okay, great.
Which will go great with the sandwich. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour you guys a glass. Gotcha.
Should I get the dipping oil going?
Please do that. Wow.
Ooh, that looks good already.
the truffle oil, just to give it that subtle flavor.
Wow.
And just a little bit
goodness.
of
that's dope.
seasoning. Right?
Wow.
Now, I'm just gonna just blend this all together.
Oh, God.
Dope.
Smells great.
Dope.
Ooh,
That's it.
Wow.
And now we're just gonna take our bread, just dip it in there, and it's going to be a nice little snack or a little appetizer, if you will.
Let's see.
Oh my God!
Is it really? Okay, let's do it. Oh my goodness.
Oh, the wine is delicious. Can we just do a
Cheers.
toast?
Absolutely.
Yes.
So let's put the sandwich together.
All right. Okay.
Okay. So you just want to take your ciabatta bread,
Okay.
and the first thing we're going to put on there is just some basil pesto.
Basil pesto.
Yes.
Is that like spicy or pesto is like what? It's green. What's in it? Mustard?
It's just basil, like if you can think about what we've been doing lately with the food processor,
Okay.
basil, oil, garlic,
And some pine nuts, right?
pine nuts, exactly,
I've
and
made
it's
it
just
one
processed
time.
down.
Oh.
Yeah, from scratch.
Yes,
like
from scratch.
Food processor is a wonderful thing, especially like if you have any type
It's
of a
really
blender that
easy to
does it.
make.
It is. You know what's really easy too is to make your own salad dressing. I'm telling you, if you want to just save from buying salad dressings from the store and just like, man, I made a blue cheese dressing one time with like some buttermilk, blue cheese crumbles. It was, man.
Really?
Oh, it was amazing. I was like, man, I'll never buy blue cheese again. I would never buy it again. It's so, not only does it save money, but it's just, you can add your own flip to it because not everybody likes a lot of blue cheese. Some people don't like, like a mild taste of it. I love blue cheese. Okay. So I applied the basil on the ciabatta bread. Don't be afraid to be generous with it. And you know why I say this? Because this acts as your mayonnaise. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Right. This acts as mayonnaise.
Right. So the bread's not so dry.
Exactly. So the next thing I'm going to do, here's my top piece of the bread. And this is the bottom. I'm going to take a little bit of our arugula here.
Arugula.
Yeah. Oh, I love arugula.
Oh, look how pretty that
Yeah,
looks,
okay.
Chef.
Yeah.
My
yeah,
gosh.
Of course. I love arugula. I really do. I like the bitter kind of herby. It's just like truffle. How we're going crazy with the truffle. We love it. Second thing I want to put on the sandwich is one of my nice juicy steak tomatoes, which I've had the secret seasoning on with olive oil and truffle oil. And you just want to nicely place it like that. Right?
Very nice. Yeah.
Like that. And then I'm going to add my mozzarella
My.
Cheese.
Pretty, huh?
Yes.
And then the next thing that we're going to use is a couple of pieces of
Basil.
basil.
My.
I love basil.
That's gonna give a nice flavor.
Yeah, the basil's dope. Take these little end pieces off for you guys here. And
So you picked these fresh this morning, Chef?
yes.
Oh,
and
nice.
I don't want to bruise it or anything, so I'm just going to naturally just rip it. So you're not just eating a whole basil leaf, right?
Okay.
And then this is the fun part right here.
Oh, the glaze.
What's that?
This is a Nona's Pia's Balsamic Glaze, which we picked up. There's a lot of them, and they pretty much all taste the same. So you definitely want to add this, incorporate this part of it. Okay.
Balsamic glaze.
Glaze. Yes. So what you want to definitely do is kind of like you're doing a little zebra thing going on here. You want to just
Go back and forth.
Absolutely.
My.
Ooh,
Chef.
back and forth like that. You feel me?
Ooh, yeah.
You feel me? You feel me? And then I even like to go across it. Oh wait. You can't have. There's not too much of this you can have.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying?
Look at how it's drizzling down
Yeah,
the side.
it's beautiful.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of special seasoning here. And then you can incorporate a little bit of cracked black pepper, but we have kind of that already. And then you just want to place your top part of your sandwich here. All right.
Beautiful.
And there we have it.
Oh, so
Oh
easy.
my goodness.
So easy. Quick and easy. Filling.
It looks very filling though.
Great sandwich
Nice
for lunch.
thick sandwich.
Again, any questions, definitely comment. Let me know if you ever play on the Caprese sandwich. And you can also just make it a salad too. You don't have to have the bread. Some people obviously can't eat bread for certain reasons. With mentioning that, a lot of these things here that we buy are gluten-free as well. So just keep that in mind too. We're thinking about that. Yummy time. Righteous. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Oh my god.
Right? It's a
great.
very refreshing light lunch.
And it's filling too.
And it's filling.
And I like the way, you see now, see the way you're eating it? Mom's
Yeah.
biting it, but you are cutting it. So that's how, as I mentioned earlier, let's say that wasn't with the bread, you can eat it as a salad, but you're cutting it anyway. So, yeah.
This is so
How's the
light. Oh,
tomato,
goodness.
olives, and the
Oh,
cheese?
wow.
And like I said, we usually do feta cheese. That's the first time we've kind of done the play on that with
It's
cheese.
delicious. And again, you
Right
know I
now.
don't like olives,
Yep,
but the
yep.
way you do it,
Absolutely.
you're making me eat it.
So many flavors going on here.
Well,
right
cheers, y'all. As always, I appreciate
lot of
you and I
flavors.
thank you for being here. Love you so much.
Absolutely.
Mm.
And cheers to you. Auntie
No, oh my goodness, it's so good. Wow.
All right, editor. I love you too. Come on, let's go do our yamming time.
Right?